Hi guys, it's Sherry. So today we're going to be making a really cool pair of faux metal earrings. And the first thing that you are going to need is your gold clay. This is the 18 karat gold, and silver clay, and roll it out to your thickest setting. Once you have it rolled out to your thickest setting, get your little scraper tool, and we are just going to mark up our clay. So just kind of go up and down to make some wire looking marks in here. I'm just going to kind of brush this off, get all the loose clay off. And everything brushes off fairly easy. So then you'll have a bunch of scratch marks there. For this one, we're going to take our ball tool and we are going to make marks all over. And we don't need a lot of this. I need one cutter size, that's about it. And then I am going to take my smaller one and kind of go in there as well and just make some smaller ones here and there. All right. So with this little section here, we're going to take our satin silver white mica powder. And I am just going to go right over. And then for our gold, I have two different kinds of gold here. I'm actually going to get a bigger brush. And then I am going to take just a tiny bit of this satin silver and blend it in real nice here. So I want this a little more than halfway up. So I will just lay that down. And I'm actually, I almost forgot, I want to mica powder the backs right away. And I actually am also going to scratch this side up as well. Let me get my tile right away. And I have two pieces of metal here. So this actually comes in it's like a flat wire here. So this is 3 millimeters and this is how it will come. And I just ended up cutting a piece off. And I'm going to take my tool here, and first I want to kind of see where I measured this from. So I would say about right there. And I want to make sure that I'm measuring them at the same area. And then I will measure them out, find exactly how much I need to cut off. Let's see, about right there. All right, then I took my pliers and I am actually going to take them and twist my piece in. So take it from the outside and then just twist it in like that. And that way you get like a flat to it. And now I am just going to hammer this to make sure that this lays flat. So I'll take this and then I will just hammer. And I'm just going to measure these up perfectly to make sure. And I just know I have to twist or take off just a tiny, tiny bit here. Okay. Then, oh, I mushed this, so I have to cut that out again. All right. I mushed it. Then I took this one and I am going to lay this right above. So I have a 20, what is this? 20 gauge gold wire. And then I am going to take this, wrap it around. Just kind of figure out exactly and I just want to make sure okay, so they're both the same size. So I had to recut this out or redo this because I just mushed my thing. All right, so next I am going to lay my small one down. I want to kind of point these. And I think I'm gonna have to use this whole thing. Okay, so I need 2 of these. I wanted to cut this in half, but that is just too small. So I'm gonna use 2 whole ones. I just kind of want to get some extra marks in here. All right, so now I am going to put my adhesive clay on here. I'll clean up the adhesive in a minute. I am actually going to just kind of push this, and this will help make sure that it stays in place. I'm going to pull this in just a tad bit. I almost want to clip. I'm going to clip some of this off. This is just a matter of kind of eyeing everything up at this point. And making sure it all matches. All right. Now I'm just going to kind of clean up all this little excess glue here. Now I want to take this and I am going to just start marking it up a bit here. Line it up. And I have a tool here and I am just going to make little marks. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in the oven, 275 for a full half hour, and then we'll come back. My pieces are out of the oven and they look great. I am very pleased with these, except I want to put some shadowing on them to give it more of like a rustic metal look. So I just put a tiny little dab of black paint on, and I am really just going to take most of that paint off. I want it to be very dry, and then I am just going to go over my piece very lightly. So you can see I'm putting very, very little on. I'm going to get my other brush and just really kind of blend that in. I'm pressing pretty good on this to really get it. So now you can see the difference there. And I like more of the rustic look where it makes the faux metal look older. And look how beautiful. Our next step is to put our fish hooks on. And since I went with the rose gold and the yellow gold, I am going to do silver fish hooks for these. So I really love doing tricolor metal. So I am just going to open this up. And then I will stick them right on the yellow. Come on. Okay, hold on one second. Get off. I need to bend that down a little bit and make some room. Made it a little tight. Okay, so you need like a little lip there, or a little space, I'm sorry. So just put that on, close it. There we go. We'll open this one up as well. Make sure the part that goes in your ear is always facing the back. This way it goes on properly. There we go. All right, guys, and here they are. Look how fun these are. I mean, what a unique pair of earrings. I am super thrilled with these. I think they came out great. I really hope that you love creating these with me and including real metal with the faux metal. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.